Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to combine two Gmail accounts using email forwarding. First, log into your old Gmail account, the one you want to forward emails from. Click the gear icon on the top right and select See All Settings. Next, go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Under the Forwarding section, click Add a Forwarding Address and enter your new Gmail address. Click Next, then proceed and confirm by clicking OK. Now, log into your new Gmail account. You'll receive a confirmation email from Google. Open it and click the verification link to authorize forwarding from your old account. Once verified, all incoming emails to your old account will automatically forward to your new one. This won't affect past messages, only new incoming emails. And that's it. You've successfully combined your Gmail accounts, making email management easier and more organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.